Are you ready to take your branding to the next level with a modern, cool-looking logo and graphics that are already customized to your brand colors? Introducing Mojomox, the modern logo maker that makes it easier and faster to create a custom logo and brand kit. Mojomox is an online graphic design tool and logo maker that is based on professional software but simplified for non-designers to use too. With Mojomox you can select from unique fonts and custom logo symbols to mix and match letters. The design editor automatically generates all logo files in a modern-looking brand kit. This is perfect for consultants, solopreneurs, and web designers who want to create a modern, cool-looking logo and graphics that are already customized to the brand colors. With Mojomox, you can design and launch your brand the modern way. Get access to Mojomox today and start creating and launching your brand in minutes.